Hi Dresser Cuties, Wendy here. Today we're going to draw a pop-up bear to celebrate Father's Day. So let's get started. To draw this sweet drawing, let's first start by drawing pop-up bear. So we're going to come right here and draw a very big oval. So I'm going to come right here with a curve for his nose area, nose and mouth. So nice big curve, and I'm going to bring it down. Say about that much, and then round it off and connect at the bottom. There. So now that with this big oval, let's come back to the top, and right about here, I'm just going to go ahead and draw another curve. This is going to be for his big nose, and then we're going to round it off, bring it to the center, and connect. And then I'm going to come about right here and draw another oval for highlight, and then shade everything else in. There, so I got this big nose. Then we're going to come straight down with a line right in the center, and then about right there, I'll just go ahead and curve out on both sides and cap it off for a big smile. Okay, so then now that we have that, let's go to the sides right here at the top, and we're going to draw a circle for the eyes. So about right here, just draw a nice size circle, and come right across about right here. And draw another circle. There. And since well, they're not too big, so I'll just come right here and draw another circle for a highlight, and then shade everything else in to make it simpler. But if you have room, you can make them draw so cute eyes if you like. So same thing right here, little highlight, and shade it all in. This side looks a little bit smaller, so I'm just going to come here and thicken it up a little bit more. There. Okay, so then now that we have the eyes in, let's just come to the sides, and we're just going to draw a soft curve over each eye. Then from there at the top, we're going to draw a big curve over the top for the head. So I'll just say about right here. Just going to go ahead and just draw this big curve right over the eyes. Right there, and then we're going to come right here and draw some ears to round it off. Come back to about right there, just imagining this curve was coming down, so I'm just stopping about right there, and then once again imagining there's a curve right here. I'm just going to come right here, skip a little bit space, and draw the inside of our ear. So same thing over here. So I went past so about right here is where my ear would be for the other side, and just dragging some points across so I know where my other ear should go. So I'm just going to draw another curve right there, skip a little bit space, and then draw the inside. And then from there we're just going to bring this down and down on this side as well. So I'll stop there for now because I need to draw baby bear, right? So come to this area, just imagining Papa Bear is right here. So I'm just going to give myself some space, imagining if he had a tie, and I'll just say about right here, right next to him. I'm going to go ahead about in this area, and I'm just going to go ahead and draw this big dumpling shape that I usually give to all my Draw So Cute characters. So just a nice big curve at the top, and I'm going to come about right here and round it off a bit wider for the cheek area, and then bring it in. And connect. There, so now I know where the baby's head's going to be, the baby bear's head. So about right there, I'm going to come in this area and draw an ear. And same thing right across. Go right here. And I'll come in here with another curve for the inside of our ear. And let's see. Then we can go ahead and come to the center of this face right here. And about in this area, I'm going to go ahead and draw another oval, just like Papa Bear, but a little bit wider and shorter. And I'll bring it in about right here. There. And then let's come to the center as well at the top, and we're just going to draw the nose just like Papa Bear. We'll highlight and then shade it in, and then a straight line down and then curve up on both sides. And then for the eyes, I thought it'd be really cute just to make it simpler. We're just going to come to the sides right here, and I'm just going to go ahead and draw a curve and thicken it up for some very happy eyes on both sides. And flick it out a little bit there, and then come to the top. I'm just going to draw a soft curve right about there. Okay, so now that we know where the baby is, so then let's go ahead and finish Papa Bear. So let's come down to about right here, kind of like where the end of his mouth area is, and then from there I'm going to stop because I have a tie I want to draw. So I'm going to come about right here and bring a curve all the way across. So about right here as well. Oh, and I guess I hit the baby's ear, so I'm just going to try to come in a little bit. So maybe I'll make his ears a little bit bigger. There. So we're definitely going to have to make some adjustments. Okay. There, and then let's thicken up this tie. So I'm going to pop it out right here, and right in the center I'm going to stop first and then draw a line down, and then angle it and connect, and then we're going to draw the tie. Just bring this down. And I'll wait until later to finish that. Let's go ahead and just thicken up this tie right here and here. And then whatever space you have left, just finish it off. And then same thing here, just come down. And we're going to start to curve out a little bit, but let's come back to Baby Bear here. So about right in this area, I'm going to go ahead and draw a curve for the body, and then in this area I'm going to have Papa Bear's hands and holding the baby. So right here I'm just going to go ahead and draw a big curve like where his shoulders would be. So this is Papa Bear's hands. I'm just going to draw this big oval right here at an angle, and then we're going to come right here and draw two curves. And so then let's, using this as my guide, this is where I'm going to draw on the banner. So there's a straight line across. So let's bring this down a little bit more. I'm going to come out a little bit. And so using this as my guide, I'm going to come about right here. So I'm just going to come out, and it's easier for my hand to go this way. So I'm just going to go ahead and go this way to draw a straight line across. There. Okay, kind of straight. It's always hard when you can't put your head over the camera, over the drawing. So say about right there. I just want to hit the hand so I don't have to draw too many details. And then from there I can go ahead and thicken this banner up. So just come down with a straight line. Same thing here. And then go ahead and connect. Now they're about the same level. Try to draw another straight line across. So definitely pull out your ruler if you need it, if you want it nice and straight. Okay, so then now we have that, let's just go ahead and finish everything up. So whatever space you have left. So about right here, I'm just gonna go ahead and draw a curve. And then finish this part up, and then add a little hand right here. And just make this paw a little bit bigger so we don't have to draw too many details. And now we'll just leave it. Okay, don't get too complicated. So then about right here, I'll just go ahead and finish our tie and connect at the bottom. it's just a cartoon, right? Not everything has to make too much sense. And then let's see here. On our tie, we could add a bunch of hearts, or however you want to decorate Papa Bear's tie right here. I'll just add 2 hearts right here, and then let's fancy up this banner here. So I'm going to come about right here, draw a straight line down, and I'm going to come across with another straight line going this way, and about right here I'll draw another straight line, and then go ahead and connect with 2 angles there. So same thing on the other side, so about the same width. So let's say about right here, come straight down, and about right here we're going to go out, just like the other side, and come out right there, and then connect in the center there. Now we got a fancy banner, right? And that is pretty much it for the drawing. And I'm going to add a heart right here. And then in this banner is where you could write whatever you want. I love you, Daddy. You're my Papa Bear. You're the best Daddy. Whatever you want. But to simplify it today, I'm just going to quickly write Happy Father's Day right in here. So I really hope this drawing inspires you to draw this for your awesome daddy. Happy. Okay, and then Father's Day. So hopefully there's enough space here. If I don't, then I'm just going to write my letters a little bit thinner as I get to the end. And if I have too much space, I'll just have to make them a little bit thicker, right? I'm sure your daddy doesn't care. It doesn't have to be perfect. So happy Father's. Okay, so day is going to be very thin. There, see? My day had to end up being very thin because I went overboard here. So I'm just going to come in here and thicken everything up, just spruce it up. So like right here where you have a little bit more space, you could just make that part thicker when you come back to clean everything up. There. And that is pretty much it for this cute drawing here to celebrate Father's Day. I really hope you loved it and that you had fun following along with me to draw this fun and easy. Thanks so much for watching, and if you loved it and I helped you out, please make sure to subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.